Okay, so come fast and join the class as you find the notification. First question is here that which ecosystem has the maximum biomass? Maximum number of biomass. You have to understand it has telling us about biomass only. Okay. Sometimes students often say that maybe in these options, what is the right? It's very simple. Forest ecosystem. Okay, D is the right answer here. Second question, the primary producers of the deep sea hydrothermal vent ecosystem are. First, you have to understand that what are. So these are the cracks in the ocean floor that emit jets of hot water loaded with minerals and chemosynthetic bacteria. These bacteria are autotrophs that outside hydrogen sulfide in water to obtain energy, which is used to produce organic material. And these chemosynthetic bacteria are the primary producers and form the base of vent food webs. Okay, so you have to understand it. So the right answer is B, chemosynthetic bacteria. Okay, so these are the producers. Which of the following would appear as the pioneer organism? Pioneer organism. So simple question, and its answer is lichens. As this question is related to succession, so the bare rock habitat is extremely hostile to living being. Okay, there is no water as the substratum does not absorb rainwater. Okay, there is no nutrient holding mechanism, so plant cannot grow on these rocks. The first inhabitants or pioneer, which is called as pioneer in terms of botany, of such a habitat usually lichens, as they are resistant to desiccation and extreme temperatures. Okay. Next is, which of the following is a characteristics feature of cropland ecosystem? So it has least genetic diversity. Okay, if we talk about cropland ecosystem. Okay, so it is an because it is an artificial or man-made terrestrial ecosystem. Okay, which is created and maintained by human beings for their maximum benefits. Okay, therefore they will have least genetic diversity. Simple. If it is made by man, it doesn't allow to grow any other things. The term ecosystem was coined by. This is the most important question for all teaching exams as well as for your NEET concern. So the term ecosystem was coined by a Densley in 1935. Most animals that live in deep ocean water are most animals that live in deep oceans water. So these are detritivores. Okay, mainly they uh, are scavengers. Okay, detritivores means they are scavengers. They are mainly if we talk about the ocean water. Okay, it is the benthos. Okay, they live near the seabed. Okay, seabed is known as the benthic zone. Yeah, I hope you are understanding if you are preparing for NEET these things. Next is during ecological succession. Okay, during ecological succession, we will move to the directly to the right answer. Gradual and predictable change in species composition occur in a given area. It is a C is the right answer. Next question: in which of nations both were correct combination? So the right answer is they have not, like C. Okay, gas nutrient cycle, carbon and nitrogen, because they are gaseous cycle, and sedimentary nutrient cycle is sulfur and phosphorus. It is very simple. Okay, because you know that biogeochemical cycles are two types. One is gaseous, second is sedimentary. Okay, simple. Next, the mass of living material at a trophic level at a particular time is called. At a particular time, it is talking about particular time. Okay, so if we talk about particular time, the right answer should be standing crop. Okay, because it is the total amount of living material in a specified population at a particular time, expressed as biomass. Okay, or its equivalent in terms of energy. The standing crop may vary at different times of the year. Okay, for example, in a population of deciduous trees between summer and winter. Okay, so this is about the standing crop. When we talk about a particular time. Next is vertical distribution of different species occupying different levels in a biotic community is known as. So the right answer is stratification. Okay, the right answer is stratification. Next is secondary succession take place. Okay, succession related question also come many times. So its right answer is no, newly not here. It will come in yes, desert degraded forest. Okay, when we talk about the newly forest, it would be take place in degraded forest. Simple answer. Next is most animals are tree dwellers in a tree dwellers. If it is talk about tree dwellers, okay, so tree dwellers are tropical rainforest because they have a very dense plant cover. Okay, and they also experience large amount of precipitation there. Okay, so the forest floor is always damp. Then many animals will be found in their arboreal habitats. They will be found. Okay, so most animals found there are the tree dwellers. Okay, as the common every space on the forest floor is occupied by the vegetation. In an ecosystem, the rate of production of organic matter during photosynthesis termed as. Okay, rate, if we talk about the rate of production of organic matter, so it is gross primary. Correct option. Correct. And this, if you we see that earthworm, okay, is the right answer would be D here. Okay, earthworm is datative in nature, succession, pioneer species, ecosystem services is pollination, population growth, natality. Okay, so right answer is D. Given below is a simplified model of phosphorus cycling in a terrestrial ecosystem with four, if you see here, four blanks, A to D. Identify the blanks. You have to identify the blanks. So I think here S is detritus क्योंकि consumer के बाद वही आएगा. Second, rock minerals, then producers, and then later. So this type of questions can be asked in examination. So I hope you understand till here. Further things we will discuss in the tomorrow. Thanks.